Hey guys, I know this is kind of cringe, but okay, we're about to ride this little go-kart thingy and we're gonna race and we're gonna do practice first. So stick around for practice. We'll be right back after this beautiful, beautiful fucking intro. We're gonna do practice, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, bud, I'm your headset, okay? We're gonna go right now. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna do 2 laps of warm-ups. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. You know what to do when there's warm-ups, right? Wiggle, wiggle. You have to keep two hands. You know how to steer, right? Okay, white flag's out.
Hey, we're lining
Now
up
you
with...
don't need to wiggle. Just go straight.
Yeah, we're just lining up with 20 people behind us.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's only practice.
Yeah. Well, that will be later anyway. After this lap, guys.
Pull the throttle just a bit, And coming down this corner. Green, green, green.
Oh, no, we're braking. We're braking. Oh, hit a rock. Camera on it. Oh, brake. Woo.
You guys good?
Yep. Oh yeah, Sunset Speedway. Or Flamborough, I forget.
I think Flamborough, yeah.
Oh yep, read the sign, Flamborough Speedway. Light models, right now, light models.
Okay, we got the emergency cruise.
I'll put it here.
Guys, no one's injured. It's all right. We just have to get him checked out to see if he's actually okay. Okay.
Fine. A bigger track.
Hey guys, we're about to go racing, so yeah. We might crash. Put on your seatbelt.
Mm-hmm.
We're just putting our safety gear on first, okay guys? Excuse me. Holy shit.
Tiki midget up there.
Yeah, that does sound like a tiki midget. Like you can literally tell from the sound it's a tiki midget.
What, this car?
Yeah.
Oh heck.
Okay, ready?
Wait. We just have her started up.
Guys, he's just getting the safety gear on.
Hey, go.
Okay, the same old 2 laps of warm-ups. But you have to do like sharp turns when you're turning.
Why?
Because it's how warm-ups are, especially for super late models.
That's sharp.
Okay guys, we're doing 2 warm-up laps.
Here's from our last accident.
Yeah, I can't wait for the next one.
We might have one.
I hope the seatbelt works though. That would be horrible if it didn't.
Yeah, just like when we
But
drove.
if you crash, it stop us. Okay, that was the white flag.
Yeah, but if I do, I'm letting go of the steering. Yeah, we're gonna need another seatbelt after this. Hit her, hit her, hit her.
Already?
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Sorry guys, the thing we're holding for this phone, it ain't working.
We're sorry. We're so sorry.
There, I think it should hold up now.
Yeah, we're gonna go for one lap.
Yeah, one more lap.
Okay, hit
For
her.
full warm-ups. Okay, white flag is out this time. Next lap is green.
Yeah, we did a burnout after the last song.
said what's gonna look like when we go fast. But Andrew, we have to go really fast now. You ready?
Yeah, when I turn this corner.
When you hit the pavement, we're gonna go like really
As
fast.
soon as I hit the pavement, it's gonna fall. 3, 2, 1, fall. Oh no! Oh, brake! Brake!
Not too fast.
Brake! Brake! Oh!
Oh, something broke. Bad crash and turn 4. Driver is injured. Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put my belt off.
Okay. Come on, we gotta get you an ambulance, okay? Come on, don't worry. Come on, let's get you an ambulance. Let's go. Stay right there. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Bro, come on, let's go. Get up. Come on, I'm actually worried. Okay, let's go. Tell me. Okay, you go to no, tell me. I'll fall again.
Oh my butt. So I stuck on my car seat.
I know, right? The drivers that make these late model events, right? Okay, let's do this.
How many laps are there today?
5 laps, about 1 lap for warming up because we're late. Okay. Oh, thank God, it was already white flag, so we're beside something. Yeah. Next lap is good. You ready?
We're beside 2 people. It's 3 wide.
I know. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, I'm not going to use my brake pedal right now. I have to have my foot like this because it broke.
Okay, let's go. You ready?
Go. Okay. Okay, we're going to brake.
Green.
Brake.
Don't do break here.
What? Then how do I have to slow down?
Fucking
Will we slow down up there?
fucking phone.
Hit it. Whoa!
Stop.
Whoa. Keep going. That was a shit show. Oh, I can't get out of my own damn car.
Guys, the taper fucking using that you can hook this phone up to.